Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 9 and 10 from exercise 11.3 chapter 11 mensuration. In this question it is given that a road roller which completes 750 revolution to move once to level a road. Diameter of the road roller is given. It is 84 centimeter. We are converting it into meter, 0.84 meter diameter. So radius will be 0.42. We are dividing it by 2. The radius will be 0.42. So we are writing here 0 radius is equal to 0.42 meter. And the length of the road roller, which we will consider as height of the cylinder, is 1 meter. Now the concept is when a road roller makes one complete revolution, say it is a cylindrical shape object. When it is make a complete revolution, that means it will cover its 1 CSA. That means one complete revolution is equal to 1 CSA, one curved surface area. One complete revolution. In this case, we will find that in one complete revolution, the roller covers how much area. Then in 750 complete revolution, how much area it will cover. That will be the area of the road. You have to find the area of the road. So CSA of the road roller. Now radius you know, height also you know, length which is height of the road roller is equal to 1 meter. As we have already converted into meter, so it is already a meter, it is given meter only. Therefore CSA of the road roller equal to 2 pi, because it is a cylindrical shape, 2 pi RH. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 0.442, that means 0.42 means 42 by 100 into h1, so meter square. Now if I cancel it, it will be 6. Now 44 into 6, it will be 4 6 is 24 and 24 25 26. 264 into 1 meter square, 264 meter square by 100. So in one complete revolution it will cover in this area. Therefore in one complete revolution it covers. Therefore in one complete revolution it covers 264 by 100 meter square. Therefore in 750 complete revolution it covers 264 by 100 into 750 meter square. If you multiply this one, you can if you cancel and 5 2s are 5, 15s are 5 15s are 75, 5 2s are 10. Now we are cancelling this one also, 2 3 and 2, 132 into 15. If we multiply this 132 into 15, we will get the result is 1980 meter square. So what will be the area of the road roller when it will complete over 750 revolution? The area will be this. Therefore area of the road equal to 1980 meter square. Understood? Now question number 10. A company packages its milk powder in a cylindrical container. Right? It is a rough sketch of a cylindrical container whose base diameter is 14 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. The container's height is 20 centimeter and base diameter 14 centimeter. Company places a label around the surface of its container. Say this is the label, you know that every container there we can see the label here. So the label also looks like a cylindrical shape when it is covered in a cylindrical surface. So its shape also is cylindrical shape. Now the condition is that places around the surface of the container, if the label is placed 2 centimeter from top and bottom, from the bottom it is 2 centimeter and from the top it is also 2 centimeter left. So the label of the height of the label will be, if I show in this way, 20 minus, it was complete height was 20, from the top 2 centimeter and from the bottom 2 centimeter is place is left. So the height will be 20 minus 4, that is 16 centimeter. So the height of the level is 16 centimeter. You can write in this way, height of the level is 16 centimeter, as because 2 centimeter from the top and 2 centimeter from the bottom we have already leave these places. So this one only, the cylindrical surface, the CSA of the level we have to find out. What will be the, if the what is the area of the level? Now area of the level will be the CSA of the level. So area of the level, area of the level will be CSA of the level. So CSA of the level 2 pi, it looks like a cylinder, 2 pi RH. Here 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 7 centimeter, diameter was given, so divided by 2, radius 7 centimeter and height 16. You can see that height of the level is 16 centimeter square. Cancel all these, 44 into 16 centimeter square, multiply and you will get 704 meter square. So what will be the area of the level? The area of the level is 704 meter square. Sums, you need to practice this kind of sums. Thank you students.